Hello everyone, this is Ashok. Today I'm going to give you a quick introduction to what is CRM, features of CRM, what are cloud service models available. Then we are going to create a lifetime free Salesforce developer account. And finally, we will discuss various career options you may have with Salesforce CRM. So the question is, what is CRM? You might have heard this term called CRM, right? If not, let me tell you, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. And it's a software that stores customer contact information like names, addresses, and phone numbers, as well as keep tracks of customer activities like website visits, phone calls, email, and more. Okay, let me give you an example how it captures the customer information. Say you click on any ad, right? A form opens and you enter all your information there. That information directly goes to the CRM as a lead, right? Now you may ask, what is a lead? A lead is a potential customer who shows interest in your product or service, right? This tool is used to build and maintain a good relationship with your customer. You might have a question in your mind that how a tool can help an organization or an individual to maintain good relationship with his client, right? So the answer is very simple. CRM tool offers various features that can be used to provide custom solutions to the customer. CRM gives you a 360-degree view of your customer. What does CRM do? CRM facilitates the businesses to actively track and manage customer information, as I just told you. So as I give you an ad example previously, where you click on a particular ad and enter all your information, right? And that information directly goes to the CRM, right? So CRM allows you to connect your entire team from any device. Say the person in field can use mobile device, right? The person who's sitting home can connect with the CRM using his own laptop, and the person who's in the office premises can use office desktop to log into the CRM. It intelligently captures customer emails. When it says intelligently means it basically searches few keywords in the email. So based on those keywords, automatic response is sent. These emails can be redirected to the designated person. It simplifies repetitive tasks so you can concentrate on leads. As it provides various automation tools, repetitive tasks can be automated. Delivers instant insights and recommendations. If you ever visited to Amazon page and if you ever happen to search any product, you might have seen certain recommendations, right? So how it recommends the product? Basically, it captures the what is the price of the product which you are looking at, right? Various features. So all the price category and matching features are recommended. CRM extends and customizes as your business grows. What is cloud computing? Cloud-based applications are delivered over the internet and run in any web browser so that you can access them from any smart device, right? You don't have to have a fancy hardware in order to use the cloud application. For example, Gmail. Gmail can be accessed from a low configuration mobile to a high-end server, because it does not require the processing power of your device. This application is installed on a remote server, so it is using all the processing of that remote machine where it is installed. You are accessing it remotely. So only the user interface is shared with you. So the user interface is shared with you, and it works as if you're working on your own machine. It is working on your own machine. No hardware, no software. Cloud computing applications are less expensive than desktop software because you only pay to use the software instead of having to buy, install, configure, and maintain it. Same happens with the hardware. Say you want to have on-premise CRM. Right? For that, what you have to do is you have to buy a high-end server which can support at least 300 to 400 subsequent requests, right? And after buying the hardware, you have to buy the enterprise version of the operating system, right? It can be Linux, Windows, or any other operating system for that matter. So after installing the software, you must have the licenses of various other tools, various other softwares. It's effectively infinite in size So you don't need to worry about it running out of capacity. The types of cloud computing or types of delivery models. So at the base level, we have infrastructure as a service. So when we say infrastructure, it is nothing but the hardware. If you are using infrastructure as a service, then your hardware cost, you are not bearing the depreciation cost on your hardware. So you have two choices, either buy the hardware physically or go with the infrastructure as a service. So you can, when you're going with the infrastructure as a service, you can select any configuration you want, right? And you can install any operating system on that infrastructure which you have purchased remotely. Then you can use it as if you're working on your own hardware or say your own desktop or laptop. Platform as a service. See, you can consider platform as if you have got a hardware barebone machine, right? You installed an operating system, any operating system on that. On the top of the operating system, you installed various programming languages, development tools, database. Now this system is ready to develop any application from the scratch, right? So this system is called a platform, okay? Similarly, some ready-made platforms are available over the internet, which you can use remotely. So such services or such hardware which you use on subscription basis is called platform as a service. And on the top, we have software as a service. I've already given you an example of software as a service like Gmail. Gmail is the best example of software as a service. Any software which you run on remote machine, you don't download, install it on your machine. That application can be considered as software as a service. So Salesforce is a software as a service model. Software as a service provides a facility to the user to use the software from anywhere with the help of an internet connection. It is also known as software on demand. PaaS helps the user by providing the facility to make, publish, and customize the software in the hosted environment. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service. With the help of IaaS or Infrastructure as a Service, the user can use IT hardware and software just by paying the basic price of it. The companies that use IaaS or Infrastructure as a Service are IBM, Google, and Amazon. With the help of visualization, the host can manage and create the infrastructure resources at the cloud. Now, what is Salesforce? Salesforce is the world's #1 customer relationship management platform. It is cloud-based, which your marketing, sales, commerce, service, and IT team work as one from anywhere. So you can keep your customers happy everywhere. Salesforce is the world's leading cloud-based CRM software that helps your business grow into a more streamlined, effective, and efficient organization. Salesforce has evolved into one of the most innovative and comprehensive CRM solutions. This makes it able to address all your business needs. Salesforce is ranked as #1 ninth consecutive year. Gartner recognized Salesforce for its completeness of vision and ability to execute. The Service Cloud platform equipped organizations with the technology to digitally transform their offerings overnight and to enable customers to provide world-class service from anywhere, even during a challenging year for many. How Salesforce can help you as a business owner. You can connect to your customers in a whole new way, build more meaningful and lasting relationship with your customers, better understand their needs, identify new opportunities to help, address any problem faster, and deploy customer-focused applications lightning fast. With a single view of every customer interaction, you can sell, service, and market like never before. Salesforce brings companies and customers together. Salesforce unites your marketing, sales, commerce, service, and IT teams from anywhere with Customer 360 degree. One integrated CRM platform that powers the entire suite of connected applications. With Customer 360 degree, you can focus your employees on what's important right now, stabilizing your business, reopening, and getting back to delivering exceptional customer experiences. What is Salesforce used for? So basically, Salesforce offers various out-of-the-box applications like sales, marketing, and service and support application. Using these tools, you can automate these business processes. So using Salesforce, you can attract more buyers using personalized marketing, win more customers by getting to know their needs and concerns, Deliver the amazing shopping experiences your customers expect. Respond faster to customer support issues on any channel. Automate time consuming tasks by building custom applications. In Salesforce, we have various career options. The first and entry level option is the Salesforce administrator. The Salesforce administrator role is one of the most demanding jobs in the current times. The administrator works on the management of security access, standard and custom objects, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud applications. He is also involved in managing the email templates, Salesforce content, folder management, manipulate changes, and edits of the system. They are engaged in improving engagement with the customers, clients, business partners, etc. The next career option is Salesforce developers. The Salesforce developers are involving in developing the code for the system to work. The Salesforce developer should have coding skills. He should also know the Salesforce administration. He should be proficient in multiple programming languages, possess the ability to design the data model, the user interface are as per the business requirements. He should have the ability to develop the customized CRM applications. He should possess enough skills to work with the integration of Salesforce with different tools. Next career option is Salesforce Technical Architect or Salesforce Architect. The primary responsibility of the Salesforce Technical Architect is to provide the efficient working of the Salesforce ecosystem. He should have the capability to deal with the object modeling and SSO technologies. He should possess knowledge of Salesforce CRM and development. He should have the ability to understand client specifications and business requirements. He should be an expert who has expertise in working with Salesforce.com. He should be capable of dealing with the APIs, licensing models, security, integration pattern. If you have broad thinking with problem solving skills, then you will be the right fit for this role. The next career option can be Salesforce App Builder. The Salesforce App Builder is the role specifically for indulging innovation and development of the applications. This is done using the lightning techniques. As everything turns to be running on mobile unlike traditional times, there is a high demand for mobile applications. This is in turn leading to improvement in the opportunities in mobile app development. One should have the creativity and the vision to build up a career as a Salesforce app builder. Next career opportunity can be business analyst. So a Salesforce business analyst is responsible for performing analysis and provide key business insights. The analysis will help the organizational teams to ensure that the objectives are met at the right time. They are also responsible to help with the recommendations or actions, suggestions that help for organizational growth. Next career option can be Salesforce Service Cloud or Salesforce Service Cloud Consultant. Senior business analysts are mostly preferred for this position. The Salesforce Service Cloud Consultant is responsible for designing the solutions for the Service Cloud functions of Salesforce. One who is selected for this role should be capable enough to solve complex business issues. The next career option is Marketing Consultant. Salesforce Marketing Consultant is the person or individual who is capable of improving and managing marketing strategies is the best fit for this role. The Salesforce Marketing Consultant is responsible for engaging between the client and market information through the Salesforce Market Cloud service. This role is also given to the experts who can improve the business processes, develop the business strategies, provide the best business solutions, manage customized marketing strategies, etc. The next career option is Salesforce Sales Manager. The person who is having the capability to bring up customer success is the best fit for this role. The Salesforce Sales Manager is responsible for managing, maintaining the deals, enhance the processes, progress the sales, and help to overcome the obstacles by providing the required solutions. The Salesforce Sales Manager should possess excellent communication skills, selling skills to improve sales, etc. So there are some Salesforce certifications offered by Salesforce. These certifications are like Certified Salesforce Administrator, for administrator job, certified Salesforce developer for developers, certified Salesforce advanced administrator, certified Salesforce technical architect, certified Salesforce service consultant, certified Salesforce cloud consultant. The certification part is very valued by the organizations. An individual with the certification is given higher preference as he or she is certified as per the role, which clearly states that they know the Salesforce. Companies or organizations would look for the faster deployments, and they have come up to a conclusion that more rapid deployments would happen with the help of certified specialists. Action time. Let us do our first activity in Salesforce and understand how easy and interesting it is. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a free Salesforce developer account. This developer account is lifetime free account. So let us go ahead. So open your web browser. I have opened Chrome. Now type in developer.salesforce.com. Press enter. So you need to enter this URL in order to create a developer's account with a Salesforce. So we can click on get started. So once you click on get started, you will find a button here called try for free. Let me click on it. When you scroll down, you will have an option here called sign up. Although I have already created my account using this email ID, but let me demonstrate the same to you. So here you need to provide all your information. So I'm entering my details, like you need to provide information accordingly. You can select your role. I'm selecting developer. So it's up to you whether you want to share your organization name, company name or not, right? If you don't want to receive marketing calls from the Salesforce, what you can do is you can enter NA or not applicable. Now select your country or region. Mine is India, so I'm selecting India. Enter your postal code. I'm entering any random postal code. Now here comes the username, right? So this username is globally unique. That simply means that if a user has already taken a name which you are trying to, then you won't be allowed to take that name as it is globally unique. So my suggestion is that it should be your email ID. So if you are having Gmail ID and you don't want to have that Gmail ID as your developer account name, then what you can do is you can remove that .com part and enter dev. So you can enter any username, but it should be in Gmail format, as I just mentioned, right? So I'm going with my default TLD, which is .com. Let me click on sign me up. As I told you that I've already created an account using this ID, right? So when you click on this button, the text of this button will change to deboot processing. Let me show you. Deboot processing. So see, I already have an account, right? But now if you haven't created any account earlier, you will receive an email. Let me open that. So you will receive an email like this, right? So what you have to do is, next step is to verify your account. By clicking on this button, you will be redirected to a page where you need to provide your password. So when you click on this button, verify account, you will be redirected to a screen similar to this. Let me zoom it a bit, right? So here you need to provide your password. You will enter your password, confirm the password, and once you click on change password, you will be redirected to this page. So this is the landing page of the Salesforce. So let us be familiar with this interface. This icon on the top right is called Astro icon. When you click on it, you find various options like setting, logout, comfy, compact, switch to Salesforce Classic and add username. So if you need to change your profile related settings, you can click on settings. and you will be redirected to page where you can change your profile related settings. Here you need to remember that the username cannot be changed. You can change your first name, last name, alias name, email ID can also be changed, but the username will remain fixed. You can change your nickname and other information can be provided here which was not asked during the registration. Let us go back. The next icon here is called the notification. You will be notified when you receive notifications. When you click this gear icon, you have three options here: the setup, service setup and developer console. Whenever you want to make configuration related changes, you will click on setup and all the configuration related topics are given there on the left side menu bar. Setup home, setup, service setup assistant, user related configurations, data, email. So various configuration related changes can be done through this gear icon. The next icon is Salesforce help. When you click on it, you'll find the help menu, right? You can get support, you can go to Trailhead, you can get support, give feedback to Salesforce, view release notes. So all the help related information can be found here. The next icon is guidance center. So you will get timely guidance over here, right? The next icon is global actions. So these are basically actions related to different applications. So you don't need to switch to different applications in order to perform any of this action. In order to perform any of this action. So the next one is, as there is no items added to the favorites, you can add reports, dashboards and various pages to your favorite. And here we have something called app launcher. So when I click on it, it shows out of the box applications. You can click on view all in order to view all the out of the box applications, right? So we have service application. So this is the standard application, service and support related application, marketing application, community, Salesforce chatter. Basically it's a collaboration tool, content management, Salesforce console, service console, sales, lightning usage app, your usage, right? Digital experience, scheduler app, board solutions. Pizza ordering system is also a custom application, right? You can create your own applications. Now let us suppose I'm recently established a product manufacturing company. I have launched a new product. Let us suppose my product is JBL speaker or say JBL pocket speaker, right? Now as I recently came into the existence and my initial product is JBL portable speaker, it is quite obvious that there is no awareness in the public. So in order to spread the awareness, what I need to do is I need to do the marketing. So in order to do marketing, we can have various campaigns started on YouTube, Facebook and other social media channels, right? So once the campaign is started, my product or services gets the visibility. My number is shared, my email is shared on those campaigns, right? My phone number is shared, my company's email ID, my organization's phone number is shared on the campaigns. This will lead to a lot of inbound calls, emails, or website visits. Now, in order to manage all that information, what I need to do is we can open a marketing application here. I've clicked on marketing. See, this marketing app is not going to execute any marketing campaign. Basically, the purpose of this marketing application is to track your various marketing related activities. So at the end of the day, you will know the return on investment on your various campaigns. This bar is called the tab bar, right? So we have chatter, campaigns, leads, contacts, opportunities, reports, and dashboards. So these are called tabs. This is the tab bar, and it is containing each individual item is called a tab. Now I'm going to campaigns. If you see, I don't have any campaign, right? So in order to track my marketing related activities into Salesforce, I can create a marketing campaign by clicking here. Say my campaign name is JPL Portable Speaker. When did you start this campaign? Say today itself. So today is 15th of November 2022, right? Whether it's an active campaign or not. Yes, it's an active campaign. The type of the campaign is going to be a conference, webinar, trade show, public relations, partners, referral programs, advertisements, banner ads, direct mail, email, telemarketing and others. When I'm having a mix of 2 or 3, I can go with the others. Otherwise, I can select any of this, right? So I'm assuming that I'm having mix of these. So I'm having some banner ads, some advertisements, some PR, multiple activities are going on in the same marketing campaign, right? For that, since I cannot select multiple items at the same time, I'm going to select other. So whether it's a planned, yes, it is planned, right? Let me show you other options. It's in progress, whether it is completed or aborted. No, it's planned, right? What is the start date? So I started it, say, on Monday, yesterday, right? What is the end date? So the campaign will run for, say, one fortnight. So it's gonna be over on 29th of November. You can enter any date, say, right? Expected revenue in the campaign. What is your expected revenue in this campaign? So my expectation is, say, $10,000, right? What is the budgeted cost? My budgeted cost is, say, $1,000. I'm spending $1,000. The actual cost cannot be predicted here because my campaign is still running. It is not over. Once the campaign is over, at that time, I'll be able to provide the actual cost. So I'm leaving this blank for the time being. What is expected response? It's in percentage, so my expectations are a bit high, so I'm giving 80%. The numbers sent in this campaign, some existing numbers which you sent in this campaign can be entered here. Whether it is a child campaign, if it is a child campaign, then you can select a parent campaign from here. Since I don't have any other campaign, I'm recently established company, right? And this is my first campaign, so I'm not going to select this. And it is not mandatory to select every time. Let us scroll down, right? You can provide some description as well. So I'm clicking on save. The campaign has been created, right? You can go to details and see all the information which I entered there. So all the information will be available here. Now, what is the next task? Next task is to record all my incoming leads through various channels. See, I have started a campaign. Now there is a possibility that I'll be getting number of leads because of this marketing campaign. Now I need to keep track of all those leads so I can have an exact idea, the ROI, return on investment. Now I have started getting various calls or say leads from various channels like web chat, emails, website visits, inbound calls. Let us assume I got an inbound call from a customer. So I'm clicking on leads, right? I can click on new. And I've already told you what actually a lead is. A lead is a contact person or say a potential customer who shows interest in your product or services. So that person's information can be provided here. While interacting with that lead, you're asking the information and providing the same here. Say the lead name is Rahul Sharma. Enter any random name. So Rahul Sharma works in, say, Dell Incorporation. His title is manager. Now what is the lead source? As I just told you that I've got an inbound call. So the lead source is phone inquiry. Industry, Dell Incorporation is into technology. So I'll select technology. You can select the industry. There are various industries listed here. If your industry is not listed here, you can add those. So annual revenue, if it is shared, then can be entered, otherwise ignored. Phone is mandatory field, but it hasn't done the customized validation. So if it is mandatory, either the phone or the mobile, whichever is mandatory, can be marked as mandatory using validation tools. So I'm assuming that the phone number is this and mobile number is this. Now email is say rahul at gmail.com. No email ID was shared. The lead status is it is open, not contacted. Right? None of my sales executive contacted this lead yet. So I'm going with the default rating, which is none. So unless I interact with the potential customer, I don't know whether the person is most interested, least interested, or not interested. And similarly, we can provide rest of the information like address, city, state, if that person shares, right? Product interest. Since we are having some dummy products added, this data is provided by the Salesforce. So we can select the product, right, in which customer is interested and click save. Now as you can see, Mr. Rahul Sharma, the lead has been generated. I got this lead because of a marketing campaign that must be recorded in that campaign. So in order to associate this lead with that existing marketing campaign, the running marketing campaign, you can go to campaigns, click on the campaign because of which you got this lead, right? Go to related, scroll down to campaign members. So you have a button here called add leads. We can click on add leads. Because I got this lead because of this campaign, click submit. You will find that the same has been recorded here, right? Now once the lead is generated, your salesperson will be notified. Let us suppose I'm the salesperson and I am notified through mail. I can click on this lead. As you can see, the status is open, not contacted. Now what I have to do is I made a call to this person, right? So I went to details, I noted down the number, I dialed this number and interacted with the person. Now the feedback should be shared. So what I can do is I can click on activities and log a call. So I'm logging a call, name Rahul Sharma, comments, interested but more product information is required. So we have marked the same. Let us save the status, right? Now the person is contacted or not? Yes, it is working and contacted because my salesperson made a call to this person and we need to change the status here. Okay. Similarly, I can create a new task once again. So what we need to do is we can enter the subject. So call, email, send letter, send quote, right? So related information. So what I'm doing is I'm sending him a product catalog which contains the product related information. What is the due date? So email is to be sent by 16th. To whom? To Rahul Sharma. So I'm considering that the account is not created yet, right? The status is not started yet. Save it. So you have an upcoming task, as you can see. When? Tomorrow. Say tomorrow I sent an email, I got a call from the Rahul Sharma and the Rahul is very much interested to buy the product. So let us convert this to a opportunity. So when a lead is converted, it becomes an opportunity. So this Rahul's record will be transferred here in the opportunities. Let me select converted and select the status. So when I'm converting a lead into opportunity, 3 records are created. The very first record is account, second record is contact, and third record, which is optional, is opportunity. Why it is optional? Because we have a checkbox here. If I check this, then no opportunity will be created. Uncheck this and click on convert. Now this lead will not be listed in leads tab. That is shifted to opportunities. Let me show you. Dell Incorporation. If you go to details, all the details are here. Phone inquiry, right? You can see all the related information here. Now, where is Rahul Sharma? That is converted into contact. So here in opportunity, you will find the organization related details. If you need to know the person, then you can go to contacts. See, is there in contacts. The account name is Dell Incorporation, right? So 3 records were created. As I told you, account, contact and opportunity. Opportunity is created with the name of the organization. Account is created with the name of organization, but contact is created with the name of person, as you can see, right? Okay.